Hello all. Today we are here to present our project on sentiment analysis of product reviews. Myself, Manish Kumar, and I'll start by introducing our project. So the main title of our project is Sentiment Analysis of Product Reviews. Sentiment analysis is a critical tool in today's digital area, enabling businesses to understand customer feedback, improve services, and predict future trends. Our main motivation lies in addressing the challenges of extracting meaningful insights from vast amounts of textual data while ensuring the analysis is ethical and beneficial to all stakeholders. We adopted a utilitarian ethical framework to ensure our project maximizes benefits for businesses and customers alike. This approach has guided every decision from starting from the dataset preparation to until the model evaluation. So personally, as the implementer in the team, my personal position is firmly rooted in empirical analysis and also technical outcomes. I believe that models like CNN, that is convolutional neural network, and Navy Bayes are powerful tools that can provide actionable insights. So my focus has been on demonstrating the practical value of those models by ensuring their accuracy and robustness. For instance, the convolutional neural network model, despite needing more tuning, showcased its potential in capturing contextual meanings through word embeddings, which is a significant advancement over traditional methods. Later on, I led the implementation of Navy Bayes model and also the a bit part in the convolutional neural network model. While Navy Bayes provided simplicity and efficiency, CNN allowed us to explore deep learning's ability to handle complex textual data. Empirical analysis showed that CNN improved accuracy by leveraging contextual relationships between words, which is crucial for nuanced sentiment classification. However, its performance indicated the need for additional data and a bit of hyperparameter querying. So yeah, from here, my friend Hemant will continue.
I am Hemant and I will discuss the exploratory data analysis and the SVM model. As the analyst, my role involved in diving deep into the dataset to uncover meaningful patterns. For example, in daily basis, we observed that positive reviews were generally shorter and more concise, while negative reviews were longer and more detailed. This insight not only informed our pre-processing steps, but also highlighted the diversity in customer feedback styles. My personal stance as an analyst emphasizes the importance of grounding our decisions in empirical evidence. For example, while implementing the SVM model, I noticed its strong performance in distinguishing positive sentiments. However, its limitations in handling negative reviews highlighted the need for a balanced dataset. My position is that empirical data should drive refinements and that constant analysis is to improving model reliability, is key to improving model reliability. Throughout the project, we engaged in constructive debates. Manish advocated for CNN's ability to capture complex relationships, while Rayvant and I raised concerns about its tendency to overlook like sarcasm or colloquial expressions. These discussions ensured that every decision was critically evaluated from multiple perspectives. For instance, while implementing SVM, we debated the trade off between precision and recall, ultimately deciding to prioritize precision for actionable insights. And coming to SVM implementation, the SVM model stood out with its high accuracy of 90.45%. However, as a critic, I pointed out its struggles with recall for negative reviews. This led to discussions about improving class balance and exploring future techniques to enhance its performance. And from here, my friend Rayvant will take on.
So thank you, Hemant. I'm Revant, and I'll be discussing the performance evaluation and ethical considerations of our project. I worked as a critic for this project, and by basically my role involved, I have to question the assumptions and our methodologies so that we can ensure that it will be satisfied both ethically and analytically. For example, the importance of addressing potential biases in our training data to ensure fairness and accuracy. It is one of the problems that we have to ensure that it will be solved so that we can increase the accuracy and transparency of our model. And as my personal instance in this project is, I have to balance both technical and ethical aspects, like while acknowledging the strengths of the models we use, like convolutional neural networks and support vector machines, I believe there is a real value lies like how you address these world complexities. And I also challenge the team to consider other nuanced aspects like such as ethical implications and misclassifications and need for the transparency in our models so that it will be satisfying all requirements that are needed for artificial intelligence. And also, one of the most important part of our teamwork is debate. And also, I often questions Manish's reliance on convolutional neural networks and pointed out the limitations for using support vector machines and other colloquial language sarcasms, etc. And also, as a critic, this led to meaningful discussions. Like we questioned ourselves and we formed like a unit and we worked as a team, and that refined our models and methodology. And I also argued for incorporating additional pre-processing steps such as sentiment scoring and to improve the classification accuracy. And these debates ensured that we were right on track and everything's balanced. And also to conclude, our empirical findings showed that our SVM performed the other models in terms of accuracy, and our naive bias, like it excelled in identifying the positive reviews. However, we also encountered few other challenges such as handling the imbalance and interrupting nuanced sentiments. Like addressing these aspects required a combination of technical and critical evaluation. So we worked as a team and achieved that. And also from my point, I mean from ethical standard point, we prioritized like anonymizing the data and ensuring that our models are met with the fairness. And also, while critics might argue that sentiment analysis oversimplifies situations and emotions, our balanced approach demonstrated its potential to provide valuable insights responsibly. And thank you for that. Thank you. And we welcome your questions.